Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning, Standard SY BCom, Subject FC, Chapter Science and Technology, Part 2, Topic Access and Misuse of Technology. In this video, we are going to understand about access and misuse of technology. People have access to various forms of technology. The access to technology has positive implication for economics, society as well as individual. हर एक के पास पॉजिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है, इम्प्लीकेशंस एज वेल एज उसका मिसयूज़ भी है. तो ये वीडियो में अपन समझेंगे मिसयूज़ क्या होता है. ओके, misuse of information technology many spread in IT facility storing by more and more information in computer database as these database become more closely linked in networks. More people have broader access and more classified and other sensitive information than ever before. Okay, misuse of technology इतना हो गया है IT फील्ड में, नेटवर्क और उसका जो सेंसिटिव वेज है जो यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए, दैट ऑल्सो वी आर स्टार्टेड यूजिंग, दिस पीपल स्टार्टेड यूजिंग, मिस यूजिंग इट. A single pie today can remove more information on a disk than species of yesteryear could remove with a truck. Okay, एक एक छोटा छोटा इन्फॉर्मेशन भी हम लोग मिसयूज़ कर सकते हैं. As it become easier for the people to access computer database, easy to use, easy to abuse. Okay, जितना easy वो यूज़ करने में है उतना ही easy उसको abuse करने में भी है. Using computer, individual employees can quickly and quietly commit serious crimes that are very difficult to detect. Okay, it is very difficult to detect whether this crime is taken place or not. They can steal information, change information or destroy the information. Okay, वो इतना हद तक जा सकते हैं कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टील कर सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. इवन दे कैन चेंज which should not be done as per the known factor. Okay, पर वैसा होता है, उसको ऐसा मिसयूज़ करते हैं. While sitting on their desks and doing nothing that appears out and ordinary to the casual observer, ऐसा लगता है they are not doing anything, is an casual pace, but there are people who do misuse of lot of things, and this IT professional level administrative can access as much as they want. Even government or corporate systems has been taken place. Personal technical skills are there, administrative access of networks are there, which are capable of damaging or impairing the operative or critical information systems, which has been technically used, how they can misuse it. Okay, there have been numerous cases, numerous behavior that has been taken place. actions लेने के बावजूद भी इतने सारे cases अभी भी available है जितना उन लोग misuse करते हैं. Then we have abuse of internet, computer crime, use of computer in criminal activities. Okay, criminal activities में use करना, cyber bullying करना, use of internet to bully and intimidate में, सेंडिंग अनवांटेड एडवर्टाइजिंग, जब चाहिए ही नहीं है तभी भी अनवांटेड एडवर्टाइजिंग सेंड करना. मेलवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइन टू हार्म अ यूज़र कंप्यूटर इंक्लूडिंग कंप्यूटर वायरसेस. ओके, दे कैन हार्म द यूज़र कंप्यूटर एज वेल एज वायरसेस. Then we have misuse of SMS facilities to on the cell phones is misused by various fraudsters. मिसयूज़ करते हैं, SMS चीट करने का SMS भेजते हैं, अट्रैक्टिव मैसेज SMS भेजते हैं कि दे विल पुट लॉट्स ऑफ मनी इन दैट फॉरगेटिंग गेटिंग एनी टाइम एनी वेयर एनी प्लेस. ओके, इतना मिसयूज़ ऑफ SMS आता है बिकॉज दे डोंट नो, people those who are watching it might not know. Okay, और वो ऐसा मैसेज डालेंगे कि 110% मिलने वाला, which is very wrong. Then we have virus-borne attacks. Viruses are the programs that attack themselves to a computer or a file and then circulate themselves to other file and to the other computer on a network. Okay, ये एक फाइल से दूसरा फाइल सर्कुलेट, ये क्या खुद ही इफ़ेक्ट करता है या कोई इसको करा देते हैं. इससे पूरा डेटा क्लियर हो जाता है, मिलता नहीं है. ओके, एंड दिस इज अ डेडली वायरस विच इज hollow and it will become most prevalent virus. When this virus was brought under this check, the true magnified losses was incomparable. It was very difficult, but then to this kind of virus takes place and which relate to more and more problems. Then we have email related crimes. Sending meticulous codes through mail, email bombing, email threatening, email spoofing. First, let us understand about email spoofing. A spoofed email is one that appears to originate from one source but it is actually emerged from the other source. Okay, ऐसा लगता है इधर से ये एक पर्सन भेजा है पर वो दूसरा पर्सन किसी और मेथड में भेजा रहेगा, विच इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू इवन अंडरस्टैंड किधर से आया है मेल. Okay, so it's called as email spoofing. Okay, certain web based email service are there. वो एक ऐसा लगता है this person has sent, but that email address if you see is sent by the other person. Email bombing refers to sending a large amount of email to a victim, resulting the email account in case of individual or servers. Okay, a simple way of achieving this would be subscribe the victim's email address to a large number of mailing list. जितना हो सकता है उतना large number of mailing list में करो तो ये email bombing नहीं होगा. Threatening emails threaten criminal activities, criminal relative वे में email डालना, डराने के जैसे email डालना, ब्लैकमेल करना email के द्वारा, और जो लोग ये पढ़ते रहेंगे वो लोग डर भी जाएंगे. Then we have email frauds. Email frauds, they assume someone else's identity but they do not hide their one's own. they hide their one's own email identity. email ID अपना खुद का हाइड करने का और दूसरे का email ID के द्वारा उसको हैक करके उसमें मेल्स भेजने का, और जो क्राइम्स एंड फ्रॉड्स होता है वो इसमें से ही ज़्यादा होता है. Then we have sonography and sex determination test. As you all know, this is a state where India is very crazy for the male child in the society, and many women want that male child in the society. So this sonography helps them to know which gender the child is, and which the child, even if the child is a female, then they have to get aborted. And this thing was happening very randomly. It was been banned. Then too there are many places still this thing is happening, mostly in villages also. These things are happening to abort a female child in the womb itself. Okay, so it is punishable under the MTP Act and IPC depending upon the circumstance and the criminal abortions that has been taken place by in the society. Thank you.